Welcome to TechNect Global. Today, we'll break down how to create OSHA-compliant forklift inspection checklists for daily, weekly, and monthly use. Stick around, we'll show you how to avoid fines, reduce accidents, and keep your team safe. OSHA's 1910.178(q)(7) mandates daily inspections. Start with these non-negotiables. 1. Tires and forks. Look for cracks, leaks, or wear. 2. Safety features. Test horns, seatbelts, emergency stops, and backup alarms. 3. Fluid levels. Check oil, coolant, and hydraulic leaks. 4. Visibility systems. Inspect headlights, taillights, turn signals, and rear-view mirrors. 5. Battery basics. Look for cracked terminals or loose cables. Pro tip: use TechNect's forklift fleet system to lock forklifts until daily checks are completed. Once you've completed each inspection, mark it as done on your mobile device. The forklift will only be ready to start once all inspections have been checked. The system automatically logs these checks, ensuring full compliance with OSHA regulations. Weekly checks catch what daily routines might miss. Focus on 1. Brake systems. Test responsiveness and wear. 2. Electrical components. Inspect battery corrosion, wiring integrity, and charging ports. 3. Load capacity labels. Ensure visibility and accuracy. 4. Engine and filters. Check engine oil levels, air filters, and exhaust leaks. 5. Warning lights. Verify all dashboard indicators function properly. Pair weekly logs with operator signatures to prove OSHA compliance. Monthly audits can help avoid overlooking routine inspections that are easily neglected. Prioritize. 1. Structural integrity. Check for frame cracks or misalignment. 2. Hydraulic systems. Test lift chains, hose integrity, and pressure thresholds. 3. Training records. Verify operator certifications are up to date. 4. Engine performance. Conduct compression tests and inspect fuel lines. 5. Safety accessories. Replace worn seatbelts or damaged mirrors. OSHA fines compound for repeat violations, don't risk it. Use digital tools like TechNect Fleet Management System to automate reminders. Ready to start? Grab your free OSHA-compliant checklist pack in the description, or click the link to schedule a TechNect demo of Forklift Fleet System. Hit subscribe for more actionable safety tips, and let us know in the comments, what topic should we cover next?